I want to say, going by the times that we have, I think every day is an experience. Every day we are experiencing His grace and His love, and that's a very big thing for me. Considering what all is going around, every day is a miracle. So, one experience that I would like to relate, this was we had gone for Seva, and normally Mummy and I used to go together for Seva. And this time, one of our neighbors in Somvihar had also joined us. So, Swami was in Vrindavan, and we from Parthi we came to Vrindavan and for his darshan. And in Vrindavan, we had a conveyance. The office had organized a car for us, and we had the conveyance to go around Bangalore and then come back for evening darshan and then take the flight. But it just so happened that this neighbor, she said that, look, my flight is earlier and I need to go पहले, तो आप मेरे को गाड़ी से छुड़वा दो और आपको अगर जाना है वृंदावन, you figure out कैसे करना है. तो वी सेड नो वरीज, हम लोग तो यहीं पर ही हैं, वील टेक अ ऑटो एंड वील गो, एंड आप गाड़ी ले जाओ, फिर गाड़ी हमारे पास आ जाएगी वहां पे वृंदावन में. Now, Whitefield today looks very different than what it used to look at that point of time. Today, when you go to Whitefield, you have to literally look for the ashram where it is. At that time, it was completely open. So, Mummy and I took an auto, and we started. The auto driver, I don't know which way he took. We had never taken that way. एकदम सुनसान रास्ता था वो, इतना ऊपर खाबड़, ऊपर नीचे. And we were very, very scared because it was just the two of us, और उस रास्ते पे और कोई गाड़ी, कोई ट्रक, कुछ नहीं आ रहा था, कुछ भी नहीं था. It was just the two of us. Sai Ram karte karte, we reached the ashram, and the darshan had already started. We sat सबसे last line, last block, last line, whatever fourth, fifth, जो भी block होता था, last line. We just made it when Swami was coming, and Swami walked straight to that block, and he looked at Mummy and me, and his eyes were like, don't you ever do that again. And it was like when I tell my kids, and I'm scolding my kids now, I can see that when I tell them, don't you ever do that. And that is how Swami's eyes were, that don't you ever do that. And both mom and I were holding each other's hands and promising, Swami, never, we will never do this again. But I don't know, learning was obviously, that you please just stay safe. I mean, what we are saying today, that time also it held the same value, that you have to use your common sense to be staying safe. I mean, बेवकूफों की तरह ऑटो पकड़ के मत कहीं पे भी निकल जाओ, या don't go out just for the sake of going. So think before you take any action. So that was a big learning, and it was such a protection, and we still remember that. And if you all of you have read Tapovanam, and usme there is one incident where this lady is going in an auto, and the auto driver wants to rob her because she's wearing all those ornaments. And when Mummy and I read that incident, it immediately reminded both of us of that incident where what had happened with us in Bangalore. I mean, we reached safely, but God forbid. And for that, I cannot thank Swami enough. Both of us till date cannot thank him enough to help us reach Whitefield safely. In his mother's love, with kids' glove, he got us over there. And very, very thankful to him. So his grace is always there, protecting and holding our finger every little moment and protecting us. So that was my a big experience for me. Thank you.